How do you structure a legal argument in legal writing? Have you ever wondered how to put together a solid legal argument in your writing? It's a skill that every law student needs to master. Let's break down the steps to create a clear and persuasive legal argument. First, you need to identify the issue. This means clearly defining what legal question you are addressing. Understanding the key elements of the case is essential. You want to pinpoint the legal principles involved to set the stage for your argument. Next, state the rule. This is where you outline the relevant legal rule or principle that applies to your issue. Present this rule in a logical order, starting with broad principles and then narrowing down to specific details or exceptions. This helps to create a strong foundation for your argument. Once you have established the rule, it is time to apply it. This step requires you to analyze how the rule fits with the facts of your case. You want to draw clear connections between the legal principles and the specific circumstances you are discussing. This is where your argument starts to take shape. Finally, conclude your argument. Summarize how the application of the rule leads to a specific conclusion. This conclusion should logically follow from the premises you have established throughout your argument. It's important that your conclusion ties everything together neatly. In law school, many students use a framework called issue, rule, application, and conclusion, often referred to as IRAC. This method helps ensure that your arguments are organized and effectively communicated. When it comes to legal reasoning, there are different approaches you can take. Rule-based reasoning uses formal logic to apply legal rules to the facts. Analogical reasoning compares your current case with previous cases to argue for a similar outcome. Policy-based reasoning focuses on the broader implications of a decision, arguing for an outcome based on its policy effects. Law professors often stress the importance of clear and concise writing in legal arguments. They encourage students to use proper legal terminology and to organize their thoughts logically. In legal writing classes, students practice constructing arguments using real case scenarios. This hands-on approach helps develop practical skills that are essential for legal practice. By following these steps and utilizing the IRAC framework, you can structure your legal arguments effectively. Remember, clarity and organization are key to making your writing persuasive and impactful.